My name is Gayatri. I'm going to explain about lab 5 voltage regulator. Okay, in this lab we have learned about characteristics of op-amp series voltage regulator, full wave rectifier circuit, and the impact of capacitor filter to the ripple voltage and voltage regulator IC. Okay, this is op-amp series regulator and this is the formula to find out the output voltage of op-amp series regulator, and this is the circuit, and this is the voltage regulator block diagram. We have used transformer, rectifier, filter, IC regulator and load. This is the function of the transformer, rectifier, filter, IC regulator and load. And okay, we go for the procedure. In this lab there are three parts, which is part 1 is an op-amp series voltage regulator, part 2 is full bridge voltage regulator circuit, and part 3 is adjustable voltage regulator circuit. Okay, now we go for part 1. Okay, in part 1 I used op-amp, Zener diode, this is transistor, and I use resistor. First I draw this circuit in multisim for simulation. This is the simulation and this is the output voltage when the input voltage is 15 volt. Okay, from here I have said that the minimum value is 1 volt and the maximum value is 15. The increment for this circuit is 0.5, so that I set 3.58, so that when the output voltage when I count the output voltage, the increment will be 0.5. Okay, for part 1, the output voltage from the calculation is 7.65 volt. When the input voltage is 15 volt, the output voltage is 7.616 volt. When the input voltage is 8 volt, the output voltage is 7.564 volt. This is the value of obtained value from 1 volt of voltage regulator until 15 volt of voltage regulator. This is the voltage at R4. Okay, from the obtained result, we can conclude that when the voltage regulator increases, the voltage across R4 also increases. Okay, now we go to part 2. In part 2 we have two parts. Okay, first I use capacitor, value is 10 microfarad. Okay, when the capacitor value is 10 microfarad, the ripple voltage of the signal is not smoother and it has distortion. And this is the simulation I did and this is the output. Okay, when I use the capacitor value is more smaller, we can observe here that the ripple voltage is smoother and there is no distortion. Okay, that's all for part 1 and part 2. Part 3 will be explained by my groupmate Kishan.
Thanks. I'll continue with part 3 for this lab. Okay, for part 3, we need to construct a circuit which is a DC input adjustable voltage regulator circuit using LM7805. Okay, first we construct the circuit as shown in figure 5, and this value is for the resistor 3 VR3, and this is for VR2, and this is for VR1. Okay, basically in part 3 what we have done is we were asked to adjust the potentiometer uh, until the value for voltage at VR1, this VR1 is 5 volt. Is 5 volt. Okay, from there we increase the VR1 as required in the table below, and we need to list down the value for R3, VR3, and VR2. Okay, the maximum rotation value uh, for VR3 is, okay, sorry, the maximum potentiometer rotation value gives us VR3 max value is 5.767 and VR2 is 1.769. Okay, from here we can understand and conclude is voltage regulator is designed to automatically regulate voltage level. It basically steps down the input voltage to the desired level and keeps that in that same level during the supply. This makes sure that even when a load is applied, the voltage doesn't drop. Thus, a voltage regulator is used for two reasons. First is to regulate or vary the output voltage of the circuit, and second, to keep the output voltage constant at the desired value in spite of variations in the supply voltage or in the load current. And we use voltage regulators often in our daily life. For example, some applications of voltage regulators are used in all power supplies to electronic gadgets to regulate voltage and safety device from damage. This for example, we have used this for our phone charger adapter and many more. And next application we used in our daily life is used for electronic circuits to supply a precise amount of voltage. These are the basic application that we use voltage regulators in our daily life. uh, yeah, thank you. Stay safe.